The back office keeps a record of when your employees clocked in and clocked out of the POS system. To find this information, head to Reports. Then, under Employees, find Time Clock. First, you will see the usual report filters including date, location, but you can also select Time Clock Department, and you can filter by certain employees. Once you have chosen your filters, click Go. Once the report is generated, you will see the employee, and when they clocked in, and when they clocked out. If you enter in wage information, then you will also be able to see how much they got paid. In addition to viewing these records, you can also edit time clock records. Click on the triple dots button next to the chart. Then click on Edit Record. Lastly, like most reports, you can export to Excel or to a PDF file. You will notice a plus button at the top right. If you click on it, you will be able to add a completely new time clock record.